Pregnant mommies, alamin ang available SSS benefits para sa'yo. Ako po si Atty. Matet Mangabat at narito ang ilang KMBI, kaalaman sa mga batas at impormasyon just for you. Sa ilalim ng Republic Act 11210 o Expanded Maternity Leave Law, may benepisyo ang sinumang miyembro ng SSS who is unable to work due to childbirth, miscarriage, or emergency termination of pregnancy o ETP. Ito ay ibinibigay sa babaeng miyembro at every instance of childbirth, miscarriage, or ETP regardless of civil status, employment status, legitimacy of child, and frequency of pregnancy. A member is qualified to avail of this benefit if she has paid at least 3 months of contribution in the 12-month period immediately preceding the semester of childbirth, miscarriage, or ETP, and has duly notified the employer of her pregnancy and the probable date of her childbirth kung kasulukuyang may trabaho. Kung self-employed naman, voluntary member o non-working spouse o overseas Filipino worker, direktang makipag-ugnayan sa SSS branch na malapit sa'yo o kaya mag-file online. Kaya mommies, siguraduhin updated ang payment sa inyong SSS. Bumisita sa www.sss.gov.ph for more information on how to avail and to know the other features of this benefit. For more kaalaman sa mga batas at impormasyon, follow Kabalikat para sa Maunlad na Buhay Incorporated social media pages. Tandaan, mabuti ang may alam. Ako po si Atty. Matet Mangabat, masaya dito sa KMBI.